Hi, we're here at the Singapore FinTech Festival 2025. It's buzzing, so many people are around, and you guys should really have come here. But since you may not have been here, I'm here to show you what it's like at the UOB booth. Here we are at the UOB game challenge for me to spot the real versus fake.
Well, we understand the risk of having such Gen AI deepfakes coming up, right? Innovation Academy was built and launched to actually upskill our employees.
Alright, thanks for sharing that.
Thanks, Dinesh.
Okay.
Enjoy the rest of the talk.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
So we're on to the next.
Project management is a conduct risk solution that monitors the RMs, relationship managers, and the clients on a conduct risk point of view.
So AI is going to help us get scammed a little bit less, hopefully. Now we're on to insurance AI model. So how does AI help us with our insurance?
In real life, when you actually have a motor damage, what you can do is to rip out your Telegram chat and then you just take a photo, and the AI there will actually advise you on what are the kind of damages that it has assessed on your motor.
Thanks for sharing.
Yeah, no problem.
Now I'm going to play one of the game and hopefully I win a plushie after that.
The game is do not touch the red and the orange stuff.
Okay.
There was some checkpoints.
Okay. Okay, so I do get to play the claw machine. Okay, this is my chance. Okay, so I just won a plushie, a peng kueh, and through no effort of AI. But who is using AI is UOB in every aspect of their operations, and it'll be very interesting to see how AI infiltrates our financial lives in the future. Thank you.